Hey guys, so really weird angle right now, but I'm sitting in the car waiting to pick up my daughters from school, and I just wanted to give an update on today's video. It is my morning routine video. I was going to do my drunk get ready with me video, get to know me, whatever, but the footage kind of sucks. Like, I'm out of frame in most of it, so I'm gonna redo that, and I probably won't be drinking because it just doesn't work out for me. I can't film while I drink, apparently. So, new plan. But I got some new equipment today, so expect a video of me unboxing some of that equipment next week. I'm about to film that whenever I get home. But yeah, so I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe, like the video, leave comments. I love any kind of feedback that you have. Or if you just want to see something, let me know and I can make it happen. But yeah, so I guess that's it. Enjoy the video. Bye. Just, yeah. But I guess that is all I have for you. So I guess we're ready to jump on in. Let's get started. Okay. I just got this little guy wet. It is from Conair. It's just a little facial cleansing brush. Let me take my glasses off. Normally, I would be doing my contacts. I'd be putting those in. But for today's video, I'm going to stick with my glasses because I'm going to be filming a glasses makeup look here in a minute. First, I'm using the Walmart brand AM Refreshing Facial Cleanser. It's like $3 or $4 at Walmart. It's just a little bit cheaper than the Clean and Clear version. I think the Clean and Clear is like Morning Burst or something. But this works just as well. I don't have a lot of expensive products. I'll just kind of wash my face. It's amazing how clean this makes my face feel. Alright, and then I'll just use a towel and get it wet, and I will rinse all of this off of my face. Alright, and then I'll just kind of pat dry. Alright. Now, after I get done with that, I use this Revitalizing Rose Mist by Soei. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, but I just spray a little bit. It works as a toner. Let that dry in my skin for just a second. And while that's drying, I will go in with my lip scrub. My lips are already kind of moist, so this is from e.l.f. and this is the brown sugar lip scrub. I love it. It works really well, and I've been using it for a little while. There's not much left. Alright. And then I will just kind of rinse that off. I'll just rinse it with my fingers. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. He is really cranky lately. Next, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Idealist Pore Minimizing Skin Refinisher. This bottle is actually kind of expensive. I want to say it was like $60. But
It works really well. I've been using it for a while. Like, I've had this for probably almost a year, and I'm just now getting to the very bottom of it. So, but I just get a little bit on my hands, and then I will just kind of rub it into my skin. And I do this before I do my moisturizer. And I really focus right here where my pores are terrible. Alright, now that's in. Next, like I said, this is probably the only expensive product I have. My moisturizer is just Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream. And let's get this because the lines on my forehead, it seems to help them. But it also smells good. It makes my skin feel nice. And it only takes a little bit. Fun fact, I really can't see much right now. My eyesight is terrible. And since I don't have my contacts in and I'm obviously not wearing my glasses right now, it's really difficult for me to see. Like, my camera is probably 2 feet from me and parts of it is really blurry. So, that's fun. For my eye cream, I go in with e.l.f. It's the Illuminating Eye Cream. This was like $6, I think. I just take a little bit and I put it on my ring finger. And I just tap it under my eye. I think I once heard that you are supposed to use your ring finger to tap product in. Alright, but I think that I had heard once that you're supposed to tap like product in under your eyes with your ring finger because it is your weakest finger on your hand. Which, in all fairness, I do not always use my ring fingers. Think I got it all in? Alright. Well, we're about to find out because I can put my glasses back on. Ta-da! Alright. And then last step, I usually just put a little bit of lip balm on. I have Blistex. My lips aren't really chapped, and so this works just fine for me. Whenever my lips are really chapped, I use Aquaphor on them though. It seems to work really well. And I had a huge amount of Aquaphor after having Reagan. So, might as well put it to use somewhere. But yeah. So, that is my morning routine. My face is all glowy now. I'm happy. I feel good. And yeah. So, that is all I have for you in this video. So, if you enjoyed it or have any tips for me, anything like that, let me know in the comments below. And if you did like it or just want to see more of my face, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, you can also follow me on social media. I kind of always forget to mention that. My Instagram, which is where I'm most active, is Jessica Hope 318, all together. And yeah, I say and yeah a lot, so I will try to work on that. But bye.